wangi. Na Outspy Show era VTFM. Vito Konikina.
Opunja celebrating 90 years.
Kay Vinon Patel.
VTFM Ekamida Gaikachi.
And to all our friends tuning in this morning. We say Yan Ravinak and Bulvinak to you all. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning. We're sharing our live program this morning to all our listeners from overseas. Lian Rani Matavinak. Lubiviti Manavia Seburura. Vito Kadivoli and Mataka and Dai. We came in to all the students enjoying their break today. And Ravinak to you all.
Yeah, well, good morning to each and everyone who sitting inside the bus, inside the taxi, inside the big carrier.
Huh?
Big carrier.
Yeah.
Coming down to work this morning is
Yes.
very not
Guilty.
guilty. Yeah, your life is not very
Not
guilty.
comfortable morning.
Yeah, comfortable morning.
Yeah.
Wake up this morning and it's raining.
Yeah.
And you look at your side, look at your wife, and look at your kids.
Yeah. You want to stay home?
These people, they're sleeping.
They're very
Yeah.
comfortable.
They're very comfortable in their bed.
I'm
Yeah.
uncomfortable.
And myself,
Yeah.
I have to wake up, I have to go.
Yeah.
If no bread and butter on Thursday. Yeah? And so they took a good morning, Bill Lasania. A well good morning to Jay that in Biu.
Oh, Yan Ravinak harap tahu.
Now I know what is behind, why is he grogging a lot?
Why?
Yung saan kayo tumbok, ha?
Yes,
Okay.
because of the seafood.
Yes. It
Oi.
is from the sea.
He ate seafood from the sea. Hey, good morning, Jada Tibiu. Thank you very much for tuning in. Bila Senia Tamay Sita.
Yeah.
Lewa kere mbula na kwa my Queensland, Australia.
All right.
Para tungon le zakam. Likewise to Bila Sen. Small carrier buronga. Yes, cruiser. To all the bus driver.
Yes.
Who coming far away from the interior of the
Villages, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, early morning, keke.
London transport.
London transport, picking up passengers.
Yeah.
4, 5 o'clock in the morning.
Take the
Sanzina.
one they came yesterday.
Yes.
Then they come down my road.
Yes. Gone past like this.
Boy, he's an army driver. You know why?
Yeah.
You know why?
Why?
Because I saw his styling of driving, and when Mika is shouting, "Wait, get out!"
Uh-huh.
And same time, boy, maybe 3 minutes or 5 minutes.
He look back.
When he go to look back,
Yeah.
I was like, this, oh, maybe he's
He has
number
three
one.
eyes, three
Yeah.
eyes. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, belum bila ketemu saya Amerika Trina. Isa,
Siapa, Bang?
Biu, London isa enggak?
And we're to the driver of LT1230, baby dubs, the black arrow. Na balik besar tadi guna bitokan bulu mana matang duko, and to all the drivers tuning in this morning and all the passengers. Subaru sorry cordo, ni anri mata pinaka, bikin nangol subukin sa sabara. To all the drivers and the passengers coming to Suba.
Yeah.
And mata kikua kita sa harus bikin muni. The weather is a little bit
Drizzling.
Iyo.
Yes.
Research ka nang onongo. Nikila pera namun di lori, sa kire namun ingangaro ni namun ingali ngoli sala, na mataka di pagkatang bising ni kuha.
Good morning to Rossi Shili ki buya.
Hey,
like,
Yanra.
Ryan.
Right.
You know, sometimes when you grogged up last night,
Yeah.
and you sleep and you wake up this morning, early in the morning, and you used to do the stubborn face, tabakarumburumbu.
Yeah.
Why? Why
And
go to work?
When you bakarumburumbu, and your nose pop up, your mouth,
And
your
same
mouth.
time blood pressure.
And I think some of the people inside the bus right now,
Yes.
they are very looking each other,
Yeah.
and they're very sleepy. And some of them, they just tap their card and they don't want to say yanda to everybody. And they just come and sit down quietly and try to power nap.
Yeah.
Eh? When they power napping, and when the bus reaches the destination, they can't wake up. They can't wake up.
Yeah.
And the bus drivers to run a job,
Yeah.
Two job. Driving and same time waking them up when they reach.
Sechi.
Because of the grog doping last night.
Oh,
You
okay,
once
okay,
upon
okay.
a time bus driver?
Iyo.
Yeah, but we're going to be talking about and our story this morning is about the students from where?
Bukalay District School, Samo.
My minor.
Felipe.
Iyo, Felipe.
Yeah.
Felipe.
So what happened when
Very naughty boy, Felipe. You know, people from Bungalay.
Yeah.
Yan rin nakabigam to may Bungalay.
Isa.
They don't know English, eh? Like, they don't know how to speak in proper English.
Baka ba ko na ito ningo no corona de murimay.
My English is less like a broken me.
Iya, sakin orang kas ni buli.
So iko kilara buli may bungali.
Oh, ha.
Oh, okay.
Arto Rusia te me.
So you laya-laya?
No, lah.
Yeah.
Ya, lo tiko tara biba buli tentara singan.
Yeah.
Tara matak ni.
Well, our staff here,
Yes.
she went to bungali.
Which stuff?
Today, Phoebe went to bungali district school.
Oi.
OG.
So,
Oh, gee.
She's an OG from Mungale. That's why she didn't want to go back to Toka. She's still there in Mungale.
Oh, Millie, right, Millie.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. Tara singara, baka lang sarti ko na sa
Yeah.
bulikati ko na ni buli.
Yeah.
Ngas ni buli, teaching the students how to speak in English,
Yeah.
pointing the items and
Yeah.
the furnitures inside the classroom.
Yeah.
Okay, bika ni ni buli. This is a chair. Go, nandambe-dambe, babalangi. This is a chair.
This is the chair.
Where's the chair? Andu si sarti ka na ni buli.
All point to
That's
the chair.
Yes, point to the chair.
Yeah.
That's the chair.
Oh,
Okay,
now-
good.
Uh-huh.
Okay, next. This is a blackboard.
Here.
Point to the blackboard. Where's the blackboard? That's the blackboard. And when the teacher look back, Felipe, full playing at the back.
Up on the above the
Back
Philippe.
sita.
Up above the Philippe, there's a wall clock. That's the clock.
That's
Hanging.
the clock hanging.
Iyo.
Gari mo ba gari ni Felipe?
tangan ni Felipe, sa tangan sa mataw, tukir chili kabil tu na mabolo. Kona tangan mawi, kona new sa di doji, sire turkin.
No sote, no panike que to. Iya.
Sa ganyan no kasa, no ka na ki Felipe. Kada mo ni muli.
Yeah.
Era parong ko sa ganyan nang me kay pasa kay rito ko ni muli.
Yeah.
Hey, don't listen.
Yeah.
Come play with me.
You play alone because you don't want to educate yourself.
Sagi, kata-kata ko ang ni muli.
Yeah.
Hey, Felipe,
Yeah.
why you playing? When I'm teaching, you listen. Stand up, hurry up, stand up, come, stand by the door.
Yeah.
Andur sa Felipe, wat ka na yalo rarawa, sa lindur to ko'y katupa. Okay, continue.
Yeah.
Okay, students, this is a book.
Yeah.
Point to the book. Ara, do si Sarmen ng
Maybe this master is John Kumar. John Kumar is master.
Abara touching mo baby ko, di ko John Kumar. Abara touching mo John Kumar. Yes, baby the money, baby Eleanor.
Ahora no me saca ya te lo rotao.
Yeah.
Ahorita tú no baby Kumar.
Wailay, na timbiw yan rumita. O siya sa kayo, ni kakita raw kas tibulia. Okay, point to the door.
Yeah.
Okay, students, this is a door. Point to the door. That's the door. Okay,
Yeah.
students, Felipe is standing by the door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Point to Felipe. That's Felipe standing by the door. Okay, buka kas ni Felipe.
Kung gito, si
Felipe.
kurang kung gito.
Iyo.
Yeah.
Okay, Felipe, where's the door? Ni sarito no Felipe, sarang tu siko tu menong ni bule.
Yeah.
So yung karo Felipe.
Yeah.
I'm the door. Ay.
Yan ako na ya. O Felipe, ko sarang may kachital tungan doon na kinaniw vivi.
Araba binan na bagi tunangon eh. Taratal tu Philip na kanang bambakaw sa may karta.
Okay lah, rarawat ko Felipe stand na kani kunti ba pinapre
Sa di ngunti na kay sento be murir na yato eh.
Yeah, sa to na may sabi bimay sa wala bulinga.
Iyo.
Sa akin bimay mo ka sa tu ko kami virto may balaw sangay. Wala lu be ko kim bambakaw.
Tata. Yung matakal ko sa unti mabakaw, unti mabakaw. Ang sambe si. Ang sala ko ngo nakakuno ko doon ko.
Iya.
Ang sala ko ngo lempula ka rodo na kiguniw. Wala vivi me kay ko ribul. Sa ngole mo ko, ngole mo ko, ko tetu doa. Mbala tane Felipe.
Iya.
O ko e vaso virto tuksaneps.
Sanjira.
Singa o ko ya.
Oi.
Oy,
Singaw.
kan mabala malmalum siya, malmalum may ngaw.
Iya, malum ngaw, sini malum may tele.
Ele.
Oi, lei, lutera lube.
Eh, tuksman nga neps, yan binaka lute, yan binaka. Palay rambo na pale na sembol ma yan binaka meli na the level.
Oe, waka me triga taka nung kumbula.
Iyo.
Na comment en bilete ko mo John Kumar.
Eh, da wait triga ta kina nula, na da betu kunti ko mo ko ya.
Oi, tuntu moko ya. Atu brother. Eh, John
Ano
Kumar.
na ka kedita ko, ano na ka iyo, na kali place ta di ruai.
Iya.
Iya, hindi nanti udah. John kumara ada binaka, seni mer pakatalia ada binaka. And pakatambis sekali. Kuya, na 231 talaga man rodi suba is gori. And doten nere di buru-bura.
Iya,
Na mata gini. Patur puto sartunga. Dongan ngonong ko sa nangyari kinauta. Bakartu kana kecuali kata donin drake main ade.
Right, to all the drivers out there, please be very careful.
Yes, sir.
One big accident in Princess Road
Gori.
this morning. Jay Timbiu,
Dina to doksar.
Garnico.
Kita sarang may tapi ke.
Right.
Bina sarang balik na siya matikumay, bina balik sa rapunjas, bina balik bina patel na muna bito ko ni binaka. Bukan talay bina matabi na kun. Dino mo like, dino mo share. And na bukan detal no I'm the doa.